controversy in data modeling about whether conceptual and logical data models actually represent reality, or if they're design concepts that abstract away from reality in order to help us process the information we have to deal with. So let's think about that in terms of customer. The customer master table is very important to most organizations. I'm sure Panera has one someplace in their data architecture. But am I a customer of Panera? Is that what I am? I would say no. I would say I am a human being, a natural person, and I am not essentially a customer. That is, in the sense of Aristotelian metaphysics, where substances, what we would call entity types perhaps in data modeling, are bearers of properties. My essential properties are not being a customer of Panera. But nevertheless, we have customer tables, which implies there's an entity type called customer. But the reality is that customer is a relation between me as a natural person going into Panera, buying a coffee and a blueberry scone and coming here and eating it. So customer is, in the real world, a relation, but that doesn't help us very much when we come to do database work. We need to simplify it because we're going to do various things with the information about me as a customer, and the abstraction of having a table called customer is the natural design construct we're going to arrive at. And we can put things into that perhaps I wouldn't even know I have in terms of attributes as a person, like my lifetime customer value to Panera. So I think we can see from that the databases that we have are abstractions of reality intended to help us process the information we need to satisfy our business use cases. What this does mean in turn is that those abstractions will have limitations. We can't do everything with them. And I think you can see that. We will see that often in data warehouses, where the information from an operational system has to be remodeled or retransformed in order to address a different set of queries than would be present in the operational system. So in terms of data models representing reality, they certainly do to a certain extent, but overall they're abstractions. We should remember that they won't precisely represent reality, so we won't be able to do everything with them. We just need to make sure that we can satisfy our business use cases with those design patterns.